Hey guys, today I want to make some unboxing because I bought new tools to record videos, and these tools I will be using in my next hiking. This hike will be very soon, and I will be testing these tools on this hike. So I want to make with you some unboxing these tools and show you what I bought and what is inside this box. So package is very small, like you see. This is the size of my hands, so this is not super big, and we can open it. And what we have inside, it is DJI Pocket 2 Creative Combo, and like you see, it's smaller than this box. It's very small, and this will be very handy in hiking. This is a small camera, and this will be very useful. So now I open this. It's not easy to remove this material from this one hand, so I will be breaking in this video to open box. Close to this box I have manual in my native language, in Polish. So I think inside will be in English. Now we open what we have inside. Inside we have one box. Here we have I think here's camera. What we have inside more, some documents, and what we have here. So we have tools inside this Creative Combo, because the Creative Combo have additional tools inside. Standard version has only camera. This Creative Combo has additional tools. Here I have tools to connect remotely mic to camera, external mic of course. Here is mic. I can put this to my jacket, and this will remotely connect by these tools to this camera. Standard element to put on tripod or this camera. Tripod. We have here a mic adapter to connect to camera. Here we have camera. Here we have some cover for this camera. Of course we have English manual and some stickers. We have Polish manual in my native language. Here we have next box. I removed from this box gears, and we have here some cable to charge this controller for mic and camera. Like you see, we have here two exit cable and one to connect to the charging. We have some strap for connect this camera to your hand to not lose this. I think here is some place to put this. Like you see, you can mount here. What next? We have a small filter. I need to read what filter this was. We have controller here to change this part. Like you see, you can put here your controller. And what we have elements to connect to your phone. For Android user is Type-C, and for iPhone user Lightning. So like I spoke, we have USB Type-C, what you put here, and you can mount to your phone here, and you can control your camera by phone. The same you have here for lighting. You put here. Here we have open box with some filters. So I read this is very good for vlogging, so we'll be testing it. And this is magnetic, so you can so you can mount this by magnetic to your camera. Like you see, is mounted. Maybe not okay because camera is not enabled. Next we have, like I spoke, controller. You can control your gimbal using these tools. So this is some joystick and some button. You can mount here simply. And of course inside was dead cat for removing wind noises. You put this to this controller. And when you put this for your jacket, this will be a little bit removing wind noises when you will be speaking to this camera. Interesting part is you can put here external mic, and this will be your adapter for transfer voice from this to camera. I will be testing this maybe after my hacking, but now I will be using this basic set what I got from company, and we will see. I think this will be very good tools for recording video outside. It's very handy. In next video I show you some tests from this camera. I need first to learn how using this camera properly, and I need to buy of course new one card for storage my videos. So we will see in the next video. I grabbed this camera for my hike, so I think all videos from my next hike in the mountains, this will be 15 days of hiking, will be recorded this camera. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and have notifications, and we will see in the next one.